We're here at the historic Don Strange Ranch in Texas to introduce Sterno charcoal lighter and cooking in the great outdoors. I'm here with Tom Green of Don Strange Catering in San Antonio. Tom, your company does large parties for thousands of people. You do a lot of charcoal grilling with very large grills, but when you're cooking at home, what type of grill do you like to use?
I really like to use a standard home use kettle grill.
Now, there are lots of charcoals out there. What type do you like to use?
I typically like to use a charcoal briquette. For one, they light fast, they heat very quickly, and they last for a long time.
A couple of weeks ago, we sent you several bottles of Sterno charcoal lighter. What is it that you like about this product?
I love this product for several reasons. The first is that it's a concentrated gel, so I use less when I'm putting it on the grill. It's odorless, it doesn't flare up, and it's endorsed by the Green Restaurant Association.
So we know the type of grill you like to use, the type of charcoal, and the type of charcoal lighter.
Right.
Let's see how you put this all together.
Let's do it.
Tom, we've loaded the charcoal into the grill. Why have we piled it up into a corner like this?
We like putting it in a pile like this just because it makes it light easier.
Okay, so this gel formula is a little different than traditional lighter fluid.
Correct.
Could you show us how you put it on the charcoal and how you light it?
Sure, absolutely. It is a little bit different than standard charcoal, so what you really want to do is take the pile that you have and just strategically place dollops of the product across different parts and layers of the charcoal, kind of in a uniform pattern, making it easier to light. Sure.
The coals are ashed over, the fire's really hot. Looks like we're ready to start cooking. What do we need to do next?
So the next step is to spread these coals across the grill. We are going to leave a little space on one side though, and that's what we call dual zone cooking. So we'll have a hotter side over here and a cooler side over here. What that allows us to do is it allows us to be able to move food from one side to the other based on the heat that we have within the grill.
Let's get cooking. Before we put the food on the grill, there's a lot of heat coming off here. How do we know exactly how hot this is?
Well, we like using just a simple hand test. So just take your hand and put it about 5 inches over the top of the grill. If you can hold it there for 2 to 4 seconds, you're right in between 425 and 525
So
degrees.
a high heat.
A very high heat.
Yep.
For a medium heat, if you can hold your hand for 4 to 7 seconds, that gets you right in between 325 and 425 degrees.
Okay.
And then for a low heat, if you can hold it there for 8 to 10 seconds, that's your low, slow cooking. And that's between 225 and 250 degrees.
Great to know. Tom, this looks great. What do we have cooking here?
So today we have Texas grass-fed ribeye steaks, some ahi tuna, grilled vegetables, and then green chili shrimp.
We'll finish cooking, and then let's see what it looks like all laid out.
Let's go.
Tom, thanks so much for showing us how you grill at home.
My pleasure.
For more information about Sterno charcoal lighter and all our great products, visit us at sterno.com and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.